Hey guys, we got your 390 done here with the Massimo fuel injection for your 62 Thunderbird. She came out beautiful. We got the Edelbrock aluminum heads on here, the full bolt March system on here. Sorry, the alternator power steering March kit on here. The style tracks really looks nice. Over a little tidbits in the motor. This does have a standard rotation water pump on here. If you want to run a regular conventional fan, you can remove the nose cone and just put your fan right on there. We take a standard rotation fan. Make sure you run a fan trap in this car. Got your Mallory distributor in here. Way to set timing on this one is like this system's very similar to like a 90 Mustang, where it's got the spout connector. You just pull the spout connector, make sure you got 14 degrees at idle. After that, just plug it back in and it should be good. Oil in the motor is 2050 weight. We want you to run a Joe Gibbs hot rod oil in this. Remember, it does have a flat tapping camshaft in it, so you do need to run a high content of zinc in it. Let's see what's going over. Thermostat on this motor is 195 degrees. The hoses, we need to make sure you have a coil in the lower radiator hose. With this big motor, it's going to want to suck the regular conventional hose closed under high RPM. You don't have an overheating issue. Other than that, is basic adjustments. You set your idle over here, and you remember just when you go to set your idle, you got to remove the IAC. Right now, I got it idling. Once the computer tames itself and it brings it down, it idles at about 800 to 900 RPM, which is beautiful. Let me try to fire this thing up for you. Let me listen to it. Our starter's giving us a little bit of issues, so please bear with us on that. Make sure the power's on. Alright, we'll be back with you in 1 second. Let me just try to see if I can fix this starter.